results, I want to talk to you about something very powerful in Excel, the Smart Lookup. The Smart Lookup is Microsoft flexing its search engine muscle. Without much talking, let's just go ahead and see, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say we type APRO. For most of you accounting students, you probably already know what this means, but for the rest of us humans, this might seem like something from the sky. But Excel can help us find out the meaning. If we right click on it, and then right click and click and find Smart Lookup, we can click on that, and Excel with the search engine can tell us what APRO means. It says here, abbreviation, annual or annualized percentage rate, typically of interest on loans and credit. There are other search results here, but the annual percentage rate is definitely the one to go with. How about we try something else? Maybe CPI. Let's try CPI. CPI. Okay, right click, Smart Lookup. What does this stand for? Not the Communist Party of India, definitely not. If we're talking about business related concepts, I'm sure it is Consumer Price Index. I think the point to note here is that when you use a search engine, you have to have some idea of what you are expecting. So the search result will provide you with so many things, but it's up to you to be able to analyze the data and figure out what you're looking for. For us, since we're searching for business related terms in Excel, it is expected that we know that Consumer Price Index is abbreviated for CPI. If we're looking for concept related to international politics or politics in India, then probably Communist Party of India will make sense. Let's try one more. Something simpler this time. GDP. Okay, what does this stand for? Smart Lookup. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. There's no mistake in this. All the search results that we have indicates that. Okay, so we'll be searching for acronyms. How about we search for the name of a person? Well, let's try Bill Gates. Okay, so will Smart Lookup be able to help us here? Let's see. Smart Lookup. There you go. Bill Gates. William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate. Yada, 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 yada. You can read the rest for yourself. But the point here is that we are able to use the Smart Lookup not only to search for acronyms or abbreviations, we are also able to use it to search for names. All right. The last thing I want to talk about in this lesson is the search bar. Is this powerful search bar? Tell me what you want to do. I talked about how the Smart Lookup has been very useful. It does work in tandem with the search bar here. Let me type Bill Gates here, for example. Bill Gates, and then Smart Lookup on Bill Gates, and it gives me exactly the same information that we had before. But the most important use of this search bar is to search for commands and tools. Let's say insert. I'm able to use this to search for insert. Now it's asking me, what do you want to insert? I can click on this drop down to specifically identify what I want to insert. I can insert cells, sheet rows, sheet columns, or sheet. So let's just insert sheet columns. There you go. You see there's now one between APRO and CPI because my cursor was placed there. So let's do that again. Let's undo, Ctrl Z. All right, this is where my cursor is right now. So let's go get an insert a row. So click on this and insert column. There you go. So This is a game changer. This is very, very helpful. If you don't know how and where to find a particular command and you know what the name of the command is, all you have to do is to come to this search bar that is called tell me what you want to do, type the name of the command, and it will bring it up for you. Alright, so I want you to play around with this a little bit and then meet us on the other side.